First snow day in Maine. That thing sound good as shit. I can still hear those turbo sounds. What the fuck?
Oh wait, is it time? Is it time to share the thoughts that's in the back of my...
First snow day in Maine. I wanna go do some donuts, low-key. It's God telling me to. Machinery. This shit started snowing like an hour ago. Not even an hour, eh? Of like 10 minutes ago. Yo, listen to that.
This is gonna be good snowman snow.
You could drive it down the driveway when we're going back so I could get a video of the sounds and shit. Please tell me all this is saving though, since I don't got an SD card in here. That thing sound good as shit, boy. Because you're keeping your foot on the brake. Kalani, what are you doing? Huh? Mommy?
You want mommy?
Yeah, teeth?
What are you doing?
3 days later.
It's time to throw this downpipe on, man. As y'all can see from back here too, I just changed out my diffuser for this simple diffuser from eBay. It's a gloss black diffuser and I kind of like it, bro. It's not, my exhaust tip's not poking out too far. I've been trying to find somebody to put it on for me. As y'all know, I live in Maine. I might have to turn into a mechanic today. I might have to turn into American one stock over here, man. It's too cold out here right now to be yapping and shit. So let's get into this video, man. I can still hear those turbo sounds. What the fuck? One more. Oh, it's not in the box. Don't fishtail. Take your time. Bumbleclot. Y'all can't tell me that diffuser not tough, man. I could hear a little bit of turbos. Nothing too crazy though. So what I'm about to do is, I'm about to take y'all boys for a POV drive real quick. I probably go wash the car out because as y'all can see, it's mad snow in here. And I can't keep looking at that, bro. That shit's just pissing me off. Listen to that idle. That shit sound amazing. I can't wait to throw the downpipe in here, bro. I know a lot of y'all been waiting on me to throw the downpipe in, but that shit kind of hard, bro. That V-band clamp been giving me a hard time to come off. So y'all boys gonna have to wait for a little bit, man. Feel what I'm saying? I'm about to hook up my Action 5. I'm gonna put the mic on the exhaust and the intake, just like the last video, so y'all boys can hear some of the sounds and shit. Winter in New England, it ain't nothing to play with, bro. I'm trying to tell you. But like I said, we're gonna hook up the mics to the car. Give y'all boys a little POV drive on my way to the store and to wash the car. So if y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 10K subs right now. I know I haven't been dropping like I used to, but I got rid of my Action 5 and now I got one back. So now I could just do POVs for y'all boys. But without yapping too much, because it's cold out here, bro. I can't keep staying out here. I'm gonna let the car warm up for a sec and set the cameras up and the mics. And yeah, man. As y'all can see, this is where, I don't know if y'all can see it, or is my head too big? I've been doing my POVs. I haven't been putting the camera on my head, but I feel like this angle right here is not too bad, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about it.
Bag secured.
You can sit in the front. we got under the car washed off too. What I'm saying, rims look nice and shiny. I just stopped here to put my mic back on the back. Now we about to go on another POV drive, man. Look how clean the tips got. Look at how much my fucking lens can see inside.
It's wide.
It's not wide, it's just wide enough to see my face. But if I'm supposed to do it for like a POV drive.
Oh, you want it wide?
Yeah.
Do you want this recording?
Yeah. Facts. I forgot to get that battery for the fucking
I bet they have them at Freedom.
Freedom Auto Care?
Napa.
I don't want to go in there right now, but I have to. Cause this shit just gonna keep saying my battery is dying. We about to go to Napa right now and grab this battery from my car because it keeps saying my battery is low. So good battery. Shout out to Napa Auto Parts. Now we finna hop in the beast and go crazy. Look at Sydney in the front. Should I tell her to drive? Yeah, man. We just got to the crib. I'm about to go edit this video so y'all boys can see it. If y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Feel what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all boys enjoy the vlog. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy the sounds. So I got my V-band clamped for my downpipe now. So now I can put my downpipe in, cause that shit was a bitch. Let me show y'all where the V-band clamp is. This right here is the reason why my downpipe's not on yet. This fucking clamp. I tried to take my downpipe off, and this clamp, like this screw right here, just kept spinning when I was trying to take it off. So that shit would not loosen, man. But yeah, man. If y'all boys enjoy that vlog, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. Feel me? Good snow times in Maine. Next time it's snowing, I'm definitely taking this shit and I'm about to slide it in the snow. Look at all the snow out here. But yeah, man. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.